Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin bread. And in this video, let's imagine that Ursula, the Disney character from the Little Mermaid movie, became a modern day person. So what kind of clothing she would love to wear? What kind of t-shirt she would love to wear? And I think that she would love to wear a t-shirt with the tentacles on it, definitely her style, and I will create such t-shirt in this video. And also I will give you a couple of tips how to paint tentacles if you will ever think to create such t-shirt for yourself. And by the way, this video is the first video of my new video series, hand-painted clothing for the modern day Disney characters. And soon I will create hand-painted t-shirts for all the Disney princesses. If you are interested in this topic, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to don't miss any of my videos, and stay tuned. So, let's get started! And first I sketch tentacles on the t-shirt with a pencil, and sometimes I just don't want to create a sketch on the paper and I paint directly on the t-shirt when design is not so complicated. And I want these tentacles to look like a necklace on the t-shirt, and I think that it will be so beautiful this way. And now I outline tentacles with a dark blue color paint. And now I paint lines of the sides of the tentacles, front side and reverse side. And now I paint front side of the tentacles with blue, purple and black colors. The most important in tentacles painting is to understand the shape of them and how they bend. And now is the hardest part, because I will paint the tentacle suckers on the reverse side, and there are a lot of them, so I will need a lot of patience to paint all them. And also to paint these suckers you need to understand the shape of them, and they are like small cylinders on the tentacles. And now I'll paint all these suckers in detail, and it will take a lot of time. And this is not the first time I paint tentacles, but when I painted them first time, I was like, oh, so hard, how will I paint them, so complicated. But all you need is practice. So you can first try to paint tentacles on the paper, then you can paint them on the cloth. And if you will ever think to create such t-shirt for yourself, be sure you will get a lot of attention wearing it, and everybody will ask you, where did you find it? I have never seen anything like this. And by the way, this design can be painted on the white hoodie, on the black hoodie, on the sweatshirt, on any kind of clothing. So this way, one by one, I paint all the tentacles.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
And now painting of tentacles is finished, and I will just splatter black paint. And also I decided to add a couple of brush strokes near the tentacles. I wasn't sure about them, but now I see that they will make this design more artistic.
Devils hide behind redemption, honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I want it.
And painting is finished.
It's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel.
Dear sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for. To help unfortunate souls like yourself. What do you think about this t-shirt? Do I look like a modern day Ursula? Hit the like button if you like this video and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and share this video with your Disney lovers friends. I'm sure they will love it, and I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.